Good morning and mabuhay. My name is Micaela Banjan and I'm from BSTM 2B and I'm here to demonstrate the 7 factors that causing breakages.
Do not stock glasses. Only Chinawares can be stocked using decoy system. Avoid handling glasses in bronchit. Instead, place them in a tray and keep them away from sticking to each other. Never put cutleries inside the glass. Put them in their appropriate containers. Never overload bar, food trays. Carry just enough to avoid crowding. Never dump glasses into sink. Place them directly into divider or glass racks. Never put hot water in a chilled cold glass and vice versa. Never heat any chilled or cold bowl or glass in a microwave oven. Never put hot water in any glass or container that is not heat resistant. Scooping ice with a glass. Use appropriate ice scooper. Using knives for opening cans. Instead, use can opener. Never stack glasses. Instead, place them in an appropriate glass rack. Accidents often occur when service personnel are absent-minded or inattentive while executing service, especially when they are carrying any breakable equipment. See to it that the trays or bus pans are not overloaded. Trays are positioned such that is well balanced, with heavy items should be placed at the center. Make sure that floor is neither wet nor slippery. Put signage on the area. Food, water, beverage that spill on the floor must be cleaned immediately.